If you're anything like me, you like the look of raw, freshly sanded wood. Some people like that finish on their floor as well. I'm going to teach you today how you can achieve that look in your own home. So the first product we work with here is a sealer. It's called Easy Prime. It's from the company Loba. It's a very stable finish with no extra pigmentation and no sheen to it. So when you put it down, you maintain the natural wood look of the floor. Now, this isn't the only product you use. You have a sealer that goes on top of it called Invisible. That product maintains the durability of a normal, regular finish while keeping that freshly sanded look. So let's go ahead and watch me do a little bit of coating here, and you'll see exactly how you could have this look on your own floor today. So let's get started. Loba Invisible is characterized by its no pigment look, meaning it doesn't really change the color of the wood from the sanded look. And this type of finish is very popular with those who like a raw wood look on their floors. Now you may be asking yourself, well, that's good and all, but is it durable? Yes. Loba Invisible and its Easy Prime counterparts are commercial grade finishes, and as such, they're extremely durable and will last in your home a very long time. The other major bonus to these finishes is that they're all water-based, which means they don't stink up your house. Your house is going to smell good afterwards. It's low VOCs, good for your health. That's what we like in a floor finish. Now, this floor system requires 3 coats of finish on it. The first one being Easy Prime, followed by 2 coats of Invisible Protect. Easy Prime is crucial to the process, though, because it's what actually allows the wood to accept that clear finish on top of it without having any issues. To add to it, it helps with adhesion between the coats. One of the characteristics of Invisible Protect is that it's very low shine, meaning it's very matte. This is one of the reasons it's so popular. It gives it that raw wood look. One of the crucial elements of a commercial grade wood floor coating is that it tends to be a 2K product. That means you have 2 parts. You have component A, component B, and they must be evenly mixed together to be able to create an epoxy-like coating. One thing you have to know when you're working with a 2K product is that once component A is mixed with B, it immediately starts to activate. What this means is that there is a limited pot life, meaning the components can only be used for so long. For example, Loba Invisible Protect has a pot life of only 2 hours. If you don't use it in those 2 hours, it will turn into a gel inside the bottle. For example, another product we use and you hear us talk about is Burger Sideless Green Star. That product has a pot life of 18 hours. Huge working difference. You have to know that before you use a 2K product, or you can get yourself in a little bit of a disaster. If you choose to go with a 2K waterborne finish on your floor, know that most of them tend to cure within 2 to 3 days. Cure means that the finish gets to its full hardness. It's as tough as it's going to be. So at that point, once the floor is cured, you can move your furniture back on. And as usual, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked this video, then you'll probably like this one right here.